Hello, I am Arkapravamata, register number UR15CS051. Today I am going to do the second experiment of my data structures lab work, which is the implementation of stack, which are the push and pop functions. Now let's see the code. First, the header file has include IOStream, then which is for input-output devices using namespace std, and then the global variable stop, which is assigned to -1, the m variable, which is for maximum number of elements, and the stack a, which is the array, which is used as stack here, and choice is a character type variable, which will be used further in the program. First, the push method. And the push method is written under a do while loop so that we can perform the push operation more than once according to our choice. And first, the condition is checked so that if there is space available in the stack for more values to be pushed in, which is checked as if top is not equal to maximum elements or not. If it is so, then message is displayed showing stack overflow. Else, the top value is incremented and message is displayed to the user telling him to enter more elements which is to be pushed. Then at the top of the stack, element is taken as an input from the user. Then a message comes out saying that if we want to continue the push operation or not, enter a y or n according to your choice. The choice is checked in while condition where that if it's true then the function is performed again, and if it's not it just comes out of the do while loop. Next is the pop operation. The pop operation again is written under a do while loop, um, and first the condition is checked if it's equal, if there is elements inside the stack which so that we can pop more. If it's not, then an error message has to be shown to the user telling that stack is underflow. Else, just show the element which is to be popped out, and the top value is decremented by 1. Then a message is displayed showing telling that if you want to continue the pop operation or not. Enter your choice, and the choice is checked in the while condition where if it's true the pop function is done again, and if not it comes out of the loop. In the display method, the contents of the stacks are just displayed. Then is the main method. In the main method, first the maximum value of stack is asked from the user, which is stored in m, and array is declared, which is used as a stack with the maximum number of elements m, and then ch variable is declared, which is of integer type. Again, the contents of the main method is written under a do while loop so that we can perform the functions more than once. Then a menu is shown to the user telling if he wants to perform push operation, he has to enter 1, 2 for pop operation, and 3 for display. And the choice is taken in ch variable, and it's uh, checked under the switch function. If the user has entered 1, the push operation will function. If user has entered 2, then pop, and if he has entered 3, then display the contents of the stack will be displayed. And if any other variable, it will just show a message telling wrong input. Then a message will be displayed telling if we want to continue or not. If we and then we'll enter the choice according to our wish, and it's checked in the while loop. If the condition is true, then it will perform again, and if it's false, then it will just come out of the loop. Now we'll see the execution of this program. So first, it's asking for the maximum value of the stack, which will give us 3, and is asked, the menu is displayed telling 1 for push, 2 for pop, 3 for display. First, we are going to enter 1 to push the elements in the stack. So enter the element to be pushed. We want to push 25. Do you want to continue push operation or not? Yes. enter the element to be pushed. So we'll enter push 12 again. Do you want to continue push operation? No. So it's asking if I want to continue the program or not. Yes, I do. Now I want to see the contents left in the stack. So I'll just enter 3 so that will display the contents. Just 25 and 12, which are the elements we pushed in right now. And do I want to continue the program? Yes. So again the menu comes up. Now this time I want to do the pop operation, so I'll enter 2. So it's telling that 12 is popped as it's the top element of the stacks. It will be popped out first and not 25. Now and it's asked if I want to continue the pop operation or not. No. And do I want to continue the program, which is yes. Now again I want to see the contents left in the stack, so I'll enter 3. So it's showing that it's only 25 is left. And do I want to continue the program? No. So as you saw, all the functions are executing properly, the push, pop, and also the display method is also working as it's showing the correct output. So from this it is understood that the program has been executed successfully, and thank you for seeing.